Anyone can help you buy a home or cottage, but local people will always have better knowledge on local matters. Sure, you can Google anything you want, but getting information off the internet is like taking a drink from a fire hydrant. Google can bring you back 1,000 answers, but an Erie's Edge Realtor can bring you back the right one. Is having reliable internet important to you? Believe it or not, there are still some areas that work with dial-up or nothing at all. And Erie's Edge Realtor knows these areas because we live, work, and play here. If you're buying or selling in Norfolk or Oxford counties, Erie's Edge Real Estate has a team of full-time professionals here to help you. You can visit us at eriesedge.com.